All right, guys. So I had the lovely opportunity of collecting a research article that related back to our project. So the research article I found was Health Perception and Healthy Lifestyle Behaviors of Female Factory Workers. This research article discussed that the percentage of females in the workplace that work in factory work is rising, and it's actually up 25.9% than previous years. But there are a lot of differences between women and men that may make women more severely affected by the toxins in factories. And they can also cause more health issues in women than men due to their changes in their biological differences, as well as characters that are related to menstruation, pregnancy, and childcare. There was a study that was conducted, and it's explained in the research article. The study basically aimed at assessing the health perception and healthy lifestyle behaviors of females, and the research study was conducted at a hazelnut factory. The results of this research study showed that female workers in this particular factory, 20.9% are smokers, 15% stated that they have a chronic disease currently. We also discussed BMIs in the research article, and when BMIs were considered, 25.8% of those female factory workers were found to be slightly overweight, and a 9.8% were overweight. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. 15.4% of these factory workers said they participated in physical activity. That number is not a lot. That's not even close to as high as we want it to be. It was found in the study that working provides these women opportunities to form social relations, and they develop a sense of self confidence and self respect that they didn't have before.